Teresa sniffled. Then she sneezed. Again and again. Her nose wouldn't stop running. She blew into tissue after tissue until her wastebasket overflowed. Her nose turned red, then purple, then a strange, glowing green. Each sneeze felt colder, and the air around her grew icy. Suddenly, with a final giant sneeze, a gust of freezing wind shot from her nostrils, swirling around the room. The wind picked up her toys, then her bed, lifting them towards the ceiling. Teresa gasped, realizing her sneezes weren't just sneezes anymore. They were turning her into a living, breathing, snot-powered blizzard, and she couldn't make it stop